Hello students, today we are going to discuss the numerical of jar test. Question will be given as what will be the power generated in watts if the velocity gradient is 900 per second for water having kinematic viscosity 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter square per second for a volume of 500 liter. Now we need to find here the power generated. Okay, so we know the formula of jar test or the mixing of the jar test, that is equals to G is equals to under root P upon mu V. Okay, now we just write here all the given quantities. Now the velocity gradient is given as 900 per second, so the value of G will be given as 900 per second. Okay, now kinematic viscosity is given, that is mu is given as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter square per second. Now we need to convert this in meter square per second, for which we need to multiply here 10 to the power minus 4, so it will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square per second. Clear? Now that will be the value of mu. Now if we want to convert this mu into nu, what will we use? We use here nu is equals to mu by rho. Now rho will be equals to 1000 kg per meter cube and mu will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. So what will be the value of mu here? It will be equals to, what will be the value of mu here? It will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1000. Its value will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, that will be the value of mu in Newton second per meter square. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 in Newton second per meter square. Clear to all? That will be the value of mu. Now volume is given as 500 liter, so we just write it as 500 liter, but we want the volume in meter cube. For the meter cube calculation we need to multiply here 10 to the power minus 3 and it will be converted into meter cube. Now we put all this value here, that is G value, that is 900 square equals to P upon mu value will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 and V value will be equals to 500 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now we need to multiply it with the 900 square and it will be equals to 500 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 900 square, and it will be equals to 810 watt. That will be the power generated. Okay, that will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.